Okay, ETHZ seems to be bouncing. The Jackson Hole meeting is started by 10 a.m. New York time. This is it. This is exactly this is 10 a.m. This is before 10 a.m. As a matter of fact, the stock has started to rebound, and obviously, to cut a long story short, it seems the Fed, I mean, Jerome Powell signaled that there might be a rate cut next month. So Ether is rising. This ETH is equally recovering some of the losses. It's still down 29.63 to 29.73%, but it has recovered. Actually, it was actually worse than that, so it's still recovering. This is the 1 minute chart. It's not really indicating that well, if you like, it's signaling that some strength might be there. So let's just quickly have a look at Ethereum. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum. So yeah, we can see it's just like rebounding. It's recovering. The trend is saying that higher prices will keep printing out, but this is just a 1 minute chart. It's not going to be of much use by the time you watch this. Let's use the 4 hour chart. Let's see what's indicating, extrapolating. Yeah, you can see that clearly printing out. A pivot has just occurred now. And in my last video, I was pointing out that this 439, this resistance is here. It has just bedeviled the stop, and has just broken through that now. I can see the extrapolation is to the upside. We didn't have this extrapolation before. We didn't have high prices being extrapolated. This is now the case. Um, yeah, maybe it's going to mean that maybe ETHD might resume and maybe retest $7. But I don't exactly know whether that will be the case. But it's good. It's good news. It's good news. Things are changing now. Um, Tech stocks, AI stocks, they are rebounding. Palantir, all of them, they are rebounding now. So let's just see how things go. So Ethereum has reversed course. Let's see ETHD on this 4 hour chart. What has happened to it? Okay, it has reversed course. Obviously, it doesn't have enough data on this 4 hour chart. So we'll look at the daily chart and see what is going on with it. Let's see. Yeah, it hasn't indicated that yet for some reason. No, well, it hasn't indicated that because this is not a lot has actually happened. Not a lot of improvement has really happened as such. Not a lot of improvement has really happened as such. But it tracks Ethereum. It should bounce. It should improve. We've clearly seen that on the 1 minute chart. You clearly saw that on the 1 minute chart. You can clearly see here 2.66 intraday low in this session. Intraday low 2.66. So it is now at 3.24, 3.31. You can clearly see at 3.39. So it is recovering, even though it's not sufficiently reflecting here on this daily chart. Obviously, it was actually lower than this 2.6, so it was somewhere here in the pre-market session, 2.66. So yeah, let's just see how things go. I will continue to update you again. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.